What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and I'm back to try to fix this mower. Today is Saturday, a little after 12. When I got the part this morning, so hopefully, well, I won't say hopefully, I'm getting it running. I don't got no choice. If I get it running today, I can go try to cut some of my yards from Wednesday that I missed, and then work on from there. So yeah, and also let me show you this tool that is very helpful in situations like this that I made. Alright, this is what I call my tension spring pulley. It's basically, use it, I'll open this up, matter of fact. You have tension springs, like that's a tension spring right there. I'm gonna have to take that off and use this to hook on to the end of the spring, but you don't want your hand too close to the spring, so you need some kind of extension. You can use rope, but it has to be a good rope. That's why I use this wire. I kind of made this out of something. I got like 2 or 3 of them, but I made this out of whatever I had in the truck. It works pretty good because it's strong, it won't break, and this is strong and it won't break. You want to make sure both pieces won't break, because you got to pull hard. So in order for me to get the other belt on, I have to take this belt off. So yeah, but the good thing about this mower, I can get this open. Let me move this. Okay, thank you for not cooperating for no reason. Jeez Louise. See, these are the pulleys. The belt is completely off now, but these are the pulleys for each transmission. This is the tension pulley for the drive belt, and then it goes back under the mower. So the good design about this is, once I get some stuff taken apart, I'll be able to slide that belt back there to get it around that pulley, and then I'll be able to go over the top up here and get it onto these. Alright people, it took me about 30 minutes. As you can see, got that drive belt on there, right there. Now we're about to start it up and see if it moves. And I can cut that grass that's underneath it. I didn't get to when I was at there because the lawnmower was there. Alright. Y'all know how happy I am right now, bro. Might not look like it because I got like $20-something yards to cut that I'm behind, so my joy has to be short-lived. Now I gotta get out here and get it. One thing I want to say is that I had mentioned this one time. You know, this is kind of Monday morning quarterback. Well, people say Monday morning quarterback, that means like hindsight. Like you go through a situation and then you look back on it and you're like, well, I should have did it this way. And so you know, sometimes we get so into the situation, I gotta go, that we don't really think things through. Or the decision that I made could have been logical at that time, but like one example, Triple D, he had called me one time and he was stuck. He got his mower stuck. And instead of sitting back and thinking, you know, he went and he pulled his truck in the area to try to pull it out with his truck, and he got his truck stuck. Now he you know, he was trying to get that yard done because it was getting dark, he said, but he didn't have the proper straps or chains or whatever he needed to get his mower out without getting his truck stuck. So he took that chance. And so for me, in this situation, on Wednesday, when this mower went down, my best option would have been just to scratch that day. I was so eager to get out here. I had 12 yards on my schedule. I gotta get out here and get it. I should have just scratched Wednesday, because I could have used the rest of the day Wednesday. This took me 30 minutes to do, bro. I could have drove to the dealer, got the belt, and even if I didn't get no yards to cut on Wednesday, and even if it rained on Thursday, which it did, I would have been ready to go on Friday. But instead, I tried to use the backup mower, which, you know, hindsight, like I said, Monday morning quarterback, I thought was going to be a good option for me. But then that coincidentally ended up breaking down on me at the same time. So, like I said, everything's hindsight. Everything looks better after the situation's over. I should have did this, I should have did that. But you live and you learn. The best thing to do, if a piece of equipment goes down that you know you absolutely need, handle it then and there. If you get a day behind, if you get 2 days behind, oh well. Now I am 3 days behind. And I only got a half a day left today, and I'm sitting here talking to you. Anywho, let me get my mower to my trailer and get my tools. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.